Alright y'all, welcome back to the channel. This is our weekly update that we do. We just ran up and got some quail to go with our baby quail. We had 3 born and only one of them survived. We didn't want to raise it by itself, so we knew somebody that raised quail and we went and got some quail. She didn't have any more bob whites. She don't raise bob whites anymore, so we ended up getting a little bit different quail. We got a Texas, and then we got, I think what she called it, right, Angie, a Pharaoh quail.
Yeah.
And then we ended up getting a few other items, and I'll show those to you. But what we're going to do is give you an update on the garden, what we've done this week on it so far, and then we're also going to give you a update on the turkey eggs. They go on lockdown tonight. They'll be on there 3 days. They should be hatching Sunday, so we should when we candle those, they should be pretty close to being ready. All right, y'all, and then we're also going to look at our goose egg. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll show some activity on it, but I'm going to show you what we've got. Welcome to the Vista Acres Homestead channel. We'd like to thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications button, and if you can, give us a like button. And again, thank you for watching. Get your nose out of it. All right, you ready? All right, y'all, these are some buff Brahmas that we got. And we like the Brahmas. I've got the white ones. I think I've showed those on the channel. There's the buff Brahmas that we got.
Okay.
All right, these we've got.
Go to open it up more.
We got a turknecks. We got turknecks, and we've got some. My mind went blank. What's them other ones? Broad rocks in here. So we got some turknecks and we got some broad rocks in here, and that's what we went for. The quail and
kind of dark, kind of support. I think.
And then we got the that is a Texas quail and a Pharaoh quail. Here we got. She gave me 2 quail, but those other ones are not quail. Those are guineas. So we are introducing guineas to the farm. And now what I'm going to do is get it ready for all of them to go in, and we'll show you that when we get that done.
Yeah.
Alright y'all, I'm going to put the guineas here, the baby guineas. I'm going to put them in with the chickens. There's Maggie right there.
Can you show them as you do it, or?
Yeah, we'll bring them in here and show them what we've got. There's the guineas. And then we'll put the chickens. Alright, Joe, there's the baby chickens. Got some turknecks. And then we've got, Angie, what do you call them? Not broad rocks, but...
Broad rocks, yeah. Turknecks and broad rocks.
Yeah, broad rocks, yeah. Alright, so we're going to put them in here with the guineas. All in here with the guineas. Looks like everybody survived travel. Pretty good. See them?
Yes.
Brahmas in here. Alright. Maggie, calm down. Alright, we're going to put them in there.
That made a mess.
Everything out here makes a mess. Oh, Maggie. Alright, we're going to plug their light up. The quail. So I got what's 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the Texas, and then I've got 5 of the Pharaohs.
Okay, Go ahead and pull that one now.
Alright, we'll put the quail in with this one baby quail that we've got. So we'll get that done. Maggie. Unless she's a lot bigger than it.
They're a lot bigger than it.
They're a pretty good bit bigger.
They're more than a day old then, aren't they?
Yeah, these totem days old. But ball whites don't grow like that ones. Quails and all, so that's not on.
I don't know.
I'm gonna try to get this cord hooked up. That thing going crazy.
Okay.
Ready?
Yes. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
We're going to put some eggs, a couple eggs in here. Quail eggs. We've got plenty of them. This is one of 2 baskets. Leave me alone. Give y'all a little bit of garden update. Here's the cabbages. They've grown a little bit since last week. They're looking pretty good. Yeah, we probably saw in our weekend video, or weekend warrior video there, that We did the sweet potatoes here. We healed them up, tilled them and kind of healed them and got them up a little bit. They look good. Looking pretty good. Oh, that's looking good. All right, y'all, here's the regular potatoes. You can see they're really looking good. The only thing, something is biting them. I ordered some stuff. A good friend of mine in North Carolina, and I'm going to show you his garden, told me to put on them. And hopefully that'll get the pest stopped before they eat any more. Boy, they really, since I hold them or healed them up here, they've really ate on them. Maggie, get up here. You can see up through there. And then all the way down through here. Here comes that rain we need. Alright, y'all. Cain's doing well. Me and Maggie have their conversation. Well, what I brought you to show you is I don't know if you can see in there or not, but Mama Turkey has decided to sit on her eggs. Yeah, she's sitting. She's going to be hatching them off. All these turkeys are doing good. As you can see, they really like fresh water. Good, Maggie. That's a good Maggie. You're doing good. All right, y'all, we're gonna count the eggs again. This is 3 days before they go on lockdown. We're gonna be taking the rotary out, and then we're gonna be locking them down. Okay. All right. All right, everybody ready? And that is Bandy.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Ooh.
Definitely.
Why is that rolling?
Oh, it's on there. That one's probably definitely in it. I don't know why Bandy decided to do
I don't
that.
think that one's any good. You want me to put it in there just in case though?
Yeah, we'll put it in there just in case.
Reliable. That one's definitely. I hope that didn't break. Definitely. Oh, nope. There's two right there that. Let's see it moving in there.
Yeah, definitely. So we're like I said, we're about to put these on lockdown. That one's a definite, ain't it?
I don't see any movement, but it could be. Oh, that looks definitely. Not sure about that one. I think it's in a flicker, so it could be a little bit of movement.
These was the ones that was iffy last week. Yeah, these are not gonna make it. Yeah. Just,
You can see where
they didn't finish developing, so we'll,
and those two right there, I don't
alright, so what we've got is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we got 4, 8, we got 9 that look pretty promising, and then we still got 2 over here now that don't seem like in the last week they've developed. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna put this thing, put a lot of moisture to it, try to get humidity up to about 70-something%, and then hopefully Sunday we'll be doing a video on these hatching.
It's got the air bubble when it's at the top. You put it upside down.
Alright, there's our goose egg. It does have it has gotten an air bubble in it. So,
How many days? That's not fertile.
it's not fertile. Yeah, this is going on, I think these are probably right at 20 days. Yeah, that's fertile. Not fertile. I'll hand me that one, let's leave it in there.
Oh, that was
That's
broke.
right, that might be the problem.
What are these?
These are turkey eggs.
That's a turkey egg?
Well, you know, no, those was chicken. Those was, you know what, those was broad eggs.
These been how long?
These like about 11 more days.
Oh, none of those are.
That whole row.
No, it's not. There aren't many in these. That one started, but I don't think it's. We could put it back in there, but it's.
No.
We're now in the first row. Oh, started, but it's quit. Started to the vein, but I think it's. Not many on this one either. That was.
No. Might have to go talk with Mr. Tom.
Nope. And yeah. Okay, so all these in the front.
All these in the front right here is not fertile, and probably the goose egg is not either. It's not looking good. So we're gonna put those away. Hey y'all, I want you to look at these pictures, enjoy this really good looking garden of a good friend of mine that lives up in North Carolina. He's way ahead of Angie and I, as you can tell by the pictures. And he also reminded me that he's in a colder zone, so I guess I should have maybe started a little bit earlier. But it's a good looking garden. I hope you enjoy the pictures.